Hey, good morning. Francois here. I'm the Chief Medical Exercise Specialist with the Pain Clinic. Hey, look, we're November 1st today, right? So we got about 8 weeks left till 2023 kind of comes to an end. And we roll into 2024, where we'll be establishing new year's resolutions, goals, and everything else that comes with the New Year flavor. Anyways, that said, the focus for November that I want to take here at the Pain Clinic and sharing with you as well with respect to some strategies and uh, lifestyle hacks and tactics as well is about taking control over our results. I'm going to focus on motivation, mindset, stuff that I do as a health lifestyle coach, and so that we could take control over our health and wellness for the remainder of this year. Because so that we feel better. We have more energy to spend with family and friends as well. All right. That said, I also want to share with you a couple different things that we're doing here at the Other Pain Clinic as well, which will be really good. And that said, some of my other things that's coming up in terms of videos, I just want to kind of share that with you as well. Just kind of give you a quick preview for the rest of this week. It'll be looking at one that'll be coming out tomorrow is looking at breaking habits as well. And then on Friday, I'll look at a myth versus fact. Is it discipline or is it habits? And then on Saturday, I actually want to share with you something that um, I'm actually working this month with some professional nutritionists so that it's bringing you or making available anyways, a recipe holiday inspired one dish meal. So I'll have kind of that in like a little recipe ebook as well. All right. If you have any questions, send me a message in the comments below or find me at theotherpainclinic.com. Also on the YouTube channel. So it's at youtube.com/at the other pain clinic. And also on Facebook, it's facebook.com/the other pain clinic. All right. Take care. Have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video.